Okay, guys, welcome back to Principal Ideas, and thank you for clicking on this video too. Yes, I'm talking to you. You made it by clicking on this video too. Okay, thank you very much. If you're a new member here too, you're also welcome. Okay, yes. So, guys, I just made a video about how to make money online right now in Ghana. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's working 100%. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can cash out your earnings from the video I made. Okay, yes. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you understand everything. Okay, no. So I will leave the video at the end of this video. So make sure you watch that one too if you have not watched it. Okay, yes. So now let's dive into the video. So what you have to do is to open the app, that is the Palmpay app. Okay, the new app in Ghana, and then it will take you to the home page. You will see this page over here which says refer and earn. Okay, yes. So what you have to do is to tap on it, and then you wait for it to load. This pop-up will come. Just close it. Okay, just close it. So it will, yes, just wait for it to load. It will take you to the dashboard where you are having your money. It says your total earnings are 31 Ghana cedis, and then you can redeem it at 20 cedis, 35 and 50 Ghana cedis. Okay, yes, but I just want to redeem my 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, I don't want any problem. So you just have to close it, and then if I scroll down to, you'll see so these are my invitees. Yes, so these are the people I've referred to this platform and I've gotten the money. So we are coming to what? Withdraw it. Like this video. So you have to tap on redeem, and then it will prompt you to say, are you sure you want to redeem now? What you have to tap on it is yes, redeem, and then to prompt you to add your mobile money number. So I'm using MTN, so I just have to select MTN. So let me enter my number. This is my real number, so if you want to contact me on WhatsApp, I'm available. And also Telegram, check my about page. Okay, you can join. So let me enter my number, and then I'll just tap on next. It will take me to this next page where I have to confirm the number. Yes, I have to confirm the number that he will send the money to. Okay, yes. So I just have to tap on confirm, subscribe, join the family. Okay, let's go. And then I just have to tap on redeem 20 Ghana cedis. Yes, I said I want to redeem 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, yes. So just have to enter my pin, and then it says redeem processing. So let's wait for it. Boom, it says redeem complete. So you just have to close this tab, and then yes, you just have to close this tab to take you back. Now let's see whether the money will come. Yes, it came. Sometimes it takes a while, but it takes less than 24 hours. Okay, yes. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you comment if you don't understand anything in this video, and then also make sure you grab the bonus. Okay, the bonus I talk about in this next video over here, this video. Okay, yes. Goodbye, thanks for watching.